Hello, my name is Carlos de Freitas. I'm the client partner assigned to the Elgins Healthcare account here in the United States. I'm based out of Mason, Ohio. The Servant Leadership Workshop is full of incredible insights, delivered in a very relaxed yet highly collaborative fashion, and keeping the participants naturally engaged throughout the duration of the training, which is like a 2-day workshop. The key takeaway for me is definitely the 3 imperatives of leadership, also known as the 3-7-10 framework. The framework provides the pillar and tools to expertly guide us in our professional journey at UST. With the UST values at its core, the framework acts as a conduit for UST success in the market, while also acting as a catalyst for us in the improvement of society as a whole, independently of where you live or work. So I think this to me is quite unique. What now moving forward? After the 2-day training, I'm now applying the learning towards revisiting my results of the 360 survey. I'm focused on creating a customized set of actions for the 360 and 90 days, looking to improve on my overall scores, either improving where I'm kind of lacking or then try to achieve a more balanced score all around. In parallel, I'm also revisiting all of my performance goals throughout the lenses of the service leadership principles, looking for opportunities to refine my plans and to accelerate getting positive results. And finally, I'm committed to become a certified servant leadership champion. I truly believe this is one of the most effective ways to give back to our community, helping to spread the wisdom of our founder, G.A. Mannon, and keeping the legacy going on and to contribute to UST continued success in the market. Thank you.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative, both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.